Hey guys, we are talking about unit fractions today. So a unit fraction is a fraction with a numerator of 1. Remember that our numerator goes on top and our denominator goes on the bottom. So a unit fraction names one part of a whole. So it's going to be 1 and then whatever our denominator is. Okay? So circle our unit fractions. All I'm looking for is that I have a 1 on top. So this is not a unit fraction. There's 1. Okay, this one's trying to trick you up. Being on the bottom does not make it a unit fraction. And that one is a unit fraction. All right. Brianna is looking at the nutrition information on a bag of popcorn. According to the label, a single serving is 1/6 of the bag. How many servings are there in 4 bags? A single serving, so how many servings are in the bag? We can write an expression that could be used to answer the equation. So basically, we have 4 bags of popcorn that we are dividing into 1/6. So we're trying to figure out what that's going to equal. So step 3, complete the diagram to represent the 4 bags of popcorn. So here, this is basically 1 bag. And I need to draw 4 bags. So there's 2, 3, 4 bags of popcorn. Okay? And each bag of popcorn needs to be divided into 6 equal parts. And the way I get that is my 1/6. If I am dividing by 1/6, what I'm doing is putting those bags into 6 different parts. Because think of it, it's not, the bag is made up of 6 components. So I'm going to divide each of my circles into 6 equal parts. And they're not going to be perfect, and that's okay. Okay, so I've done this. So we've divided each of the circles into 6 equal parts. What fraction of a circle does each part represent? So I'm just looking at one part. I'm looking at my unit fraction. So each one represents 1/6. Because remember, we divided it into 6. How many 1/6 are there in our diagram? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. There are 24 1/6. Okay? So I can use multiplication to check my answer. So I can do 24 times 1/6, which is going to equal 24/6. Which equals 4. So there are 24 servings and 4 bags of popcorn. And the way we need to think about this, because I know it's confusing, we have only 4 bags, but remember each bag is made up of 6. So there's 6 servings here, 6 here, 6 here, 6 here. So the way to solve this problem is I can do 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 24. Or I can do 6 times 4, because there's 4 of them, which equals 24. So I know that seems confusing, but that's how you have to picture it. It's not that you are making them smaller, it's that there are more servings in each bag.